Credit Saint features, strengths, weaknesses. Credit Saint is a popular credit repair company known for its aggressive dispute tactics and tiered service levels. Key features include comprehensive credit report analysis, personalized dispute strategies, and creditor intervention. They offer 3 service tiers: Credit Polish, Credit Remodel, and Clean Slate, each escalating in price and the number of challenges they undertake per cycle. Credit Polish focuses on challenging inaccurate information, while Credit Remodel adds inquiry targeting and escalated information requests. Clean Slate is the most comprehensive, targeting everything from bankruptcies and repossessions to charge-offs and judgments, if applicable. Credit Saint's strengths lie in its transparent pricing, money-back guarantee, and A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Their website clearly outlines the cost and scope of each tier, eliminating ambiguity. The money-back guarantee, though subject to conditions, provides a level of assurance. They employ a team of experienced credit analysts familiar with the nuances of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. Furthermore, they are direct in their approach to creditors, which can expedite the dispute process. However, Credit Saint also has weaknesses. Their services are pricier compared to some competitors, particularly the Clean Slate package, making it inaccessible for individuals on a tight budget. While they offer tiered pricing, the actual impact of each tier on credit score improvement varies significantly and depends on the specific negative items. Also, the money-back guarantee isn't a full refund. It's prorated and has specific requirements such as maintaining credit monitoring. Finally, like all credit repair companies, Credit Saint cannot guarantee specific results or remove legitimate negative information. Credit Saint is best suited for individuals with numerous inaccuracies on their credit reports and who are comfortable paying a premium for a more hands-on, aggressive approach. Individuals with only a few easily disputable items might find a more DIY approach or a cheaper service sufficient. Before committing to Credit Saint, carefully review your credit reports, understand the specific negative items impacting your score, and determine if the potential benefits of their services outweigh the cost. While their aggressive strategies and money-back guarantee are appealing, remember that credit repair takes time and effort, and no company can magically erase past financial mistakes. Consider your budget, the complexity of your credit situation, and alternative solutions before making a decision. Ultimately, Credit Saint can be a valuable tool for some, but it's crucial to be an informed consumer.